Hi, hello friends. This is your buddy StyBull, and here I am with another useful video. So in this video, we are going to quickly see how we can verify whether Python is installed on our machine or not. Before jumping in, I would like to let you know when I say Python, I was referring to Python interpreter. Okay, let's quickly jump in. So it's very simple. You just search for the name Python over here. And if you see this thing, so for example, in my PC, I have Python 3.11 interpreter installed. So that's why I was able to see here. So if this particular thing pops out, then it means that Python is installed on your machine. The other things which you see over here, this is nothing but it is like Python 3.11 documentation. And when you have it is like install Python some before, along with Python, there will be also a small lightweight IDE, that is integrated development environment, is also supplied, which is IDLE. So that is what we see over here. So besides that, you can also go and check. You can go to control panel and also check over there. So if you can see over here, I have the Python installed and the Python launcher installed. And the additional thing which people normally would do is that they can go to command prompt and you press enter. So herein, if you type the word Python, if it throws out, if it opens a prompt like this, which is Python version and a three greater than symbol, then it means it is like Python is installed on your machine. If any of these three methods doesn't show any results for Python, then you can safely assume that Python is not installed on your machine. That's it, guys. Thank you. Thanks so much. Feel free to give thumbs up and share your comments. See you on another useful video. Bye.